Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an Ekadashi special recipe. Today we will make Ekadashi special rasbali. This sweet is very famous and native to Odisha. Rasbali is a sweet dish included in Jagannath's Chappan Bhog at the Ratnavedi. In Jagannath Puri, the rasbali is not cooked using the Ekadashi ingredients, but today we will make Ekadashi special rasbali. So let's get started. I have taken a kadai here. Into this pour half liter of milk for making the rasbali rabri. Stir it. Let this milk boil while the flame is low. The milk has boiled. Mix it so the fat combines. Now add 5 tablespoons of sugar and 7 to 8 saffron strands soaked in 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well. Let the milk cook until the quantity halves. Stir now and then to ensure this milk doesn't stick to the bottom. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dumplings. Here I have taken sama rice or varai. In the actual rasbali, rava is used, but since we are making this for Ekadashi, so we use varai. Let's proceed. Take a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sama rice in it. Now grind this into a smooth powder. The sama rice has been ground. It has turned into a smooth powder. For this, take a mixing bowl. Here I have taken 1 cup of fresh paneer. Since we are cooking Ekadashi Bhoga offering, we must use fresh paneer only. Now, grate this paneer to make a smooth dough. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. I have transferred the grated paneer into a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of sama rice powder that we had prepared. Further add 1.5 tablespoon of water chestnut flour or singara flour and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now mix all this and mash the paneer well for 2 to 3 minutes until smoothen. Do not mash it very hard. Just do it as we smoothen the paneer for rasgulla. After 3 minutes, you can see our chenna has smoothened and our mixture is ready. You can see its texture. Let's check the rabri now. Stir it. You can see the milk is boiling. Keep mixing the milk fat too so that the milk condenses quickly. Actually, to thicken the milk, many of them add milk powder, but we will cook it traditionally and with basic ingredients. Using this mixture, make smooth balls. They should be so smooth that there are no much cracks on it. Tap it and flatten it. This is ready. Similarly, we will make all the balls. You can keep the oil for heating as well. all the dumplings are ready. We can make 7 or 8 out of the mixture. After 15 minutes, the rabri is also ready. Let's add in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it. This is done. Now turn off the flame. Now let's fry the dumplings. The oil is heated. Let's add them in. Make sure the flame is low. After adding it, don't immediately disturb it. We will be frying them until they turn golden brown in color. Now we will turn them off. Do not fry it till they become dark brown, as later they will anyways become brown. Turn it again. Our dumplings are ready. You can see these have fried well. Let's take them out. I have fried all the dumplings. Now heat the rabri once again. Into this add the fried dumplings. Let this simmer in the rabri for 2 to 3 minutes so that they absorb the rabri. After 2 to 3 minutes, it is ready. Further add chopped almonds and pistachios. Mix it. Ras bali is ready. Now switch off the flame. Our ras bali is ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra. Ekadashi special ras bali is offered and ready. Try it out this Ekadashi and let me know how it came for you. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. Hare Krishna. Happy Ekadashi.